about 10 but uxhaso nalo lolo eke ukuthi ube kulo mthetho
asizwa ngithi yabona amaphulayo ubheke ikhulunywe lapha ngithi mina khona into engiyenzile khona into engiyithekile ngize ngisho leyo la hayi noma ngilo impikla ngayo ngi-advertise lo yabo yiyo lento futhi ngoba ngisho into amaskandi inokuxova kakhulu but mina ngikhondile into engiyikhuluma kwami ngimele
ngichasile ngithi mina hawu umkhulu bengangithinti ngoxhaselo lomcimbi mina engikwaziyo umkhulu uthenga ilounge enabana abawu10 but uxhaso nalo lolo uxhaso ngiyavuma bayibeke ngazuthi ube yisponsor
asizothatha amaphulayo ubuyela ku-live uphike ubheke kese ikhulunywe lapha ngithi mina khona ngiyenzile khona into engiyithekile kodwa angeke ngisho leyo nto la live noma ngenze ngilo impikla ngayo ngi-advertise leyo nto yabo yiyo lento futhi ebuya ngoba ngisho into kamaskandi inokuxova kakhulu but mina ngikhondile into engiyikhuluma kwami ngimele